Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona. We're doing some metallic puddles and a swipe. I just did a painting using these colours and white and some black, and this is my leftover paint, so I may use a little bit of that in there as well, because I'm not sure how far this is going to go, but let's get started. It's like honey. I think that's going to be enough. I've got these three colours for spreading. That is gorgeous. I think this is too big though, so I'm going to have to go down. I want to go through here. getting close to finishing. Oh, this is taking hard work, but it's looking really good. I like this through here, so let's just do a few little twirls. A little bit of interest through there. Okay, can I make this happen? All right, it is wet, and best lacing ever. I feel like I've finally done it. I don't know where to look first. I mean, this is nice and sharp, and then this lacing here blends, and even got some lacing up here through some white and silver. It's a shame that I haven't really done anything here. This again is nice and sharp, and then we've got a bit of duotone here and through here. It looks like I might get a little bit of black popping through, which I'm not that keen on, but we'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, the lacing, I did it. Oh my god, it's taken a while, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it again, but I'm keen to give it another go with some colors or something. This was all metallics, so yeah, it's going to shine, so I will show you when it's dry. Here is the dry result. Alright, let's have a look at the shine. Got a bit of shine there. Maybe not as much as I would have expected, but there's a shine there. And you can see the difference between the white swipe is not got shine, and then the metallic is shining underneath, which is quite effective. So this through here is nice and big, the lacing, and it's got that, this is the shell mixed with the champagne gold, I would say. So it's blended, which looks pretty cool. The gold here, I think that's what it was called, and the bronze, they are pretty much colours on their own, I would say, no blending there, and the white is quite sharp. And then through here we've got the silvers and the gunmetal and the shell all blending in. Now I did get some cracking, which I wasn't expecting. There was a bit up here which it was all on the lacing, so I filled this in with white, and there was some down here as well which I filled in with white. But yeah, it looks like I've missed a bit here. I don't know if you can see that little crack there. It's all on the lacing. Now I don't know if that's because there was a difference between the metallic paints, and which were all Montmartre, and then the swipe mix was Amsterdam. So maybe they had a bit of a different rate of drying. Or the way they contracted, maybe the metallics contract a bit differently, I'm not sure. So I will be trying some colours next with the same swipe mix and the same pouring medium for the colours, and see if I can repeat this process, because this is the best lacing I've had so far, and this was the kind of thing I was trying to achieve. So now I just need to practice this, get better at the tilting, so that I don't get sort of the bunching up like we have here, and have more of the big open lacing, which should be awesome. But I love the colours. It's a very soft neutral palette, even though it's got that bit of a shine. So I hope you enjoyed that one. I did get a little bit of black coming through, but not much, so I was glad about that. Yeah, so that's it for that one. If you liked it, like I did, hit the like button. I might have to hit the like button on this one. And subscribe if you're not already, if you want to see more of the swipes that I'll be trying out over the next few videos. Yeah. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.